Hi there, welcome to Gordon's Bay. Yes, we're looking down at Gordon's Bay Harbour. I'm about to go for a walk up the mountain at the GB sign. The path, as you can see, is not really one. In fact, there is no footpath at all. It's just a sort of ramble. But there's the aircraft getting ready to go. Oh, it's already, yeah, here we go. Let's have a look around. Setting off now in the direction of Gordon's Bay, overlooking the Helderberg towards Somerset West and Lawrenceford in the background there. I'll just give you a bit of a fly around to give you a context of where we are, where we're going. You'll be able to see and appreciate that this is not an ordinary walk. It's actually completely not an official walk. There is no maintenance of the footpaths on Gordons Bay Mountain. Absolutely none, which is a shame because it used to be wonderfully well maintained. The likes of the Dani Malan footpath used to be maintained. There's no maintenance there anymore. There used to be some sort of a footpath up there, straight down below the GB. As you can see, it's just the baboons that mess around there now. There's no footpath, it's just gravel falling down the mountain. But we managed to scramble up to the top there on the plain, and it's easy enough, with a little bit of time to get over there to have a look. Coming into view now is the Steenbras Dam, looking in the direction of the Kleinmond, which would be behind there. That's the Kuchelberg mountain range to the far right. Now looking towards Gerbo side, and look at that. It looks like a giant alpine lake, doesn't it? Coming into view now, that little island is the only escapee from all the fires that have happened in the surrounds there that used to be all pine forest. Now that's all that's left of it on that little island. You will notice down below us as we fly over towards the water purification station there to the right, you'll notice how well maintained the roads are. They don't have to endure any traffic, of course. It's just for the use of the municipality and those working at the waterworks there. But now, as we fly into the setting sun, let's get a closer look at the water purification plant area and the beautiful roads. And oh, yes, just down there to your right, that's the suburbs of Gordons Bay on the mountainside and Protea Drive. Beautiful houses there. We come into that gravel area, which I've discussed in a previous video. There it is, a closer look. Look at these roads. As I said, they're immaculate. Beautiful gum tree avenue there. That's the non-invasive gum tree. It's the flowering gum. Beautiful pink and orange and yellow, white flowers in season. Usually around September when they start budding. But there we are. Look at that. Imagine walking along that road. No traffic. Steenbras Dam, located in the Western Cape of South Africa, just near Gordons Bay, at full capacity, can hold approximately 245 million cubic meters of water. Yeah, and straight down there you see the funicular leading down to the Dani Malan footpath. Have a close look at that. That's a lovely walk up over there. This is a critical storage facility, and the dam was originally constructed in 1921, but has been an essential water resource for the area for many decades. It has undergone several upgrades and expansions over the years to meet the growing water needs of this region. Down below us there, you see the gravel track that leads all the way from the Solaris Pass lookout. Coming up now is a lovely aerial view of the two dams, Upper and Lower. In 1978, the first pumped storage scheme in South Africa was completed right here, thus solving the electrical power shortages for a while. A bold project indeed, considering the very poor geological conditions that they encountered at the time. But of course, in solving one problem, the electrical shortage, another benefit was the augmentation of water supply by the receiving dam, which you will see down in the foothills on the western slopes of this mountain. If you pause the video right now, in the middle distance on your left, there's the receiving dam. Zooming in now, we're taking a look at the still photo down there of the intake tower of the Lower Steenbras Dam. And there's the Lower Steenbras overflow, to the left of which is the most beautiful botanical gardens. You really have to have a look at that sometime if you ever get a chance. This video was just to remind you of what a beautiful place Gordons Bay is and could yet be if we take good care of it, especially in the summer when the winds blow. We don't want fires uh, to make this place ugly again like it's been in the past. Let's look after our environment, pick up your litter, make sure there's no plastics in the streams, and plant trees. Please, that's what we need. They create oxygen so that you and I can enjoy it. Have a good day. Cheers.